Coconut Ladoo.
Let's start it!
For this recipe, we need 2 cups of desiccated coconut flour and cardamom powder,
1 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar.
and milk powder is optional. Take a pan and add 1 spoon of ghee into it. Add our 2 cups of desiccated coconut into it. And roast it in the ghee. When it is roasted in the ghee, it makes a really good aroma. At this point, add 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of sugar. Now our desiccated coconut has absorbed all the milk. Add milk powder and cardamom powder to our mixture and stir it. Our milk and sugar liquid has now evaporated. Turn off our stove or flame. Pour the mixture onto a plate and cool it for a little bit. Don't make it too cold, just a little bit warm so we can make our laddus. Make a lemon-sized ball. And roll it in some desiccated coconut. Like this.
These are coconut ladoos. Enjoy! Bye!
Is a special recipe for Rakhi, or it's also called Rakshabandhan.
It's so delicious.